Two cloud giants. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, DigitalOcean, developer-friendly cloud hosting for modern apps rocket. And on the right, WP Engine, enterprise-grade managed WordPress hosting high voltage. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the roadmap for today's showdown. We're gonna talk through price, performance, security, features, support, and community, and the best fit for your style or project. Stay tuned so you don't miss anything, because trust me, each round has some surprises. So first up, price. DigitalOcean's kinda famous for being wallet-friendly, like you can get started at $11 a month for a 1 GB RAM VM. Pay as you grow, yup. Tons of server-size choices so you're never overpaying. But backups, extra bandwidth, managed options, watch out for those add-ons because they bump the bill. WP Engine though. It's all bundled so you get features, security, and support. But honestly, that starting price, $23 a month for the entry plan, and it's kind of locked for 25,000 visits. It ramps up quick if your traffic jumps. So if you're on a tighter budget or want granularity, you'll probably vibe more with DigitalOcean here. Yeah, for price, DigitalOcean totally snags the win. Next, let's talk speed performance. DigitalOcean is solid for custom deployments, and if you know your stuff, the infrastructure really delivers. The catch, you're tuning for that last bit of WordPress juice yourself. Now, WP Engine, oh man. Their TTFB was something like 354 ms in 2025, which is genuinely wild, and under heavy load, response times are still killer. They've got edge caching and new infrastructure rolling out since last year, and I've gotta say it, if you want that peak performance, you really need to be on WordPress. So WordPress users, WP Engine's pretty much legendary here, so for performance, WP Engine sneaks past. Alright, security. DigitalOcean gives you a good toolbox, network-level DDoS protection, firewalls you configure, and you get tons of control on your virtual machines. But let's be real, you're on the hook for the nitty-gritty. Site-level stuff, WP Engine though, automatic daily backups for 30 days, SSL, malware scanning, managed updates, the works. They even toss in layer 3 and 4 DDoS protection. The flip side, you lose some flexibility if you want super custom security. But honestly, the managed safeguards are awesome for peace of mind, so here, WP Engine absolutely leads. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know WP Engine pioneered those totally separate environments for staging, dev, and production in WordPress hosting? Back in the day, that was a game changer. Features time, so DigitalOcean's got deep infrastructure power, root access, customizable stacks, and their app platform for no-code or auto-deploy. Want to build something that's not just WordPress? Go nuts. Downside is, most WordPress stuff you set up manually. On WP Engine, one click for staging, dev, and prod environments, automatic updates for WP Core and plugins, and a really slick dashboard, but almost all the magic is geared for WordPress. It's kinda locked in. This one's honestly a tie, both are packed with features just for different crowds. Support and community, always a biggie. DigitalOcean's got a solid developer community and pretty thorough docs, but if you want 24/7 expert help, you'll pay extra. WP Engine's approach? It's non-stop, 24/7 support from WordPress pros, chat, phone, whatever you need, and it's won awards for a reason. Of course, it's laser-focused on the WP stack, so not as much if you're off that path. But overall, if you want support, you can actually reach any time. WP Engine takes this round hands down. So who's the best fit for DigitalOcean? If you're a developer or just a bit techie and you want to control the server, launch anything, not just WordPress, or maybe experiment, it's great. But heads up, it can get technical and steep for total beginners. WP Engine, all about WordPress. If you run big traffic, e-commerce, or just want hassle-free managed hosting, it's honestly perfect. Agencies and business owners who don't want to mess around, this is you. Can't really declare a single winner here, it's all about your needs, so let's call it a draw. If you map everything out, DigitalOcean's killing it on price and flexibility, and WP Engine's crushing it on speed, security, and support. They're both heavyweights, but just in different corners of the ring. So, bottom line, if you're looking for cloud infrastructure that goes way beyond WordPress and you love getting into the nuts and bolts, DigitalOcean's a solid call. But if you want absolute no-stress WordPress hosting, top performance, peace of mind, legit experts on call, WP Engine takes it for mission-critical sites. Feeling ready to pick a winner for your next website? Honestly, try both. Free trial, money-back guarantees, so it's totally low risk. Go poke around, see what fits best, and let me know what you think.